Hey, Professor Rosen. I'm just recording my process of dissecting the multitude of flowers that I have today. So, hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so, so the first flower we're looking at is this bright red, colorful flower. It's very beautiful. Unfortunately, it didn't attract pollinators. Instead, it attracted my X-Acto knife for dissecting today. So, let's just start simply with the peduncle, or the stalk of the flower. There's not much to say about it except that there it is. It's right here. We're seeing and everything. And it's just supporting all these flowers. Which, since it's supporting not just one flower, the peduncle is supporting an inflorescence of flowers. Just a term just meaning group of flowers. Yeah, but we're going to work our way up and reach the reciprocal. But all these leaves and groups of flowers are kind of in the way, and so let's get a little bit more close and personal with one part of the flower. Alrighty, here we go. So now we're nice and close to the flower, and you can see the thicker part where kind of my hand is right here, where that basically being the reciprocal. So this is where all the flower organs would grow and everything. One thing, however, which I don't clearly see on the flower right now, is the sepal. I don't see those like big leaves that were in the same model that you had showed us online. However, if we go back to the bundle of flowers that we have, you can clearly see the sepals all around when the flower's like in the little bud form and everything like that. So it's protecting the flower, and you can basically see what the sepal's job is, which is pretty interesting and everything like that. So it's really cool to see. Let's go back to the single flower though. So now I said the flower is, again, quite, colorful. It's red, it's vibrant. And those are because of the petals and everything like that. So these are definitely meant, without a doubt, to attract pollinators. It is a beautiful color, so I suspect it gets a lot of visitors. This type of species definitely gets a lot of visitors from a variety of insects. And so let's get a little bit, now we're going to go into the middle and everything right here. And basically you can clearly see that the stamen is visible. Part right here going upward and everything like that. And so you can see both parts of the stamen, the filament rising up and bringing the anther up high. So the male reproductive part of this flower is definitely achieving its duty and getting the job done by keeping the anther up and everything like that. The one thing I don't see, however, clearly is the pistil. However, again, I bought a bunch of flowers, so I have another flower we're definitely going to be able to see very visibly. So let's move on to that flower real quick. So this flower, this yellow flower, I believe it's in its bud form. The sepals are quite tough. They are definitely doing their job of keeping this thing away. So to basically find what's inside of it, I had to dissect it. And so here we go. I have another dissected part as well. Here's the sepal, and then here's the inside. Got it dissected, kind of just cut it away with the X-Acto knife. So the inside has very defined, very visible stamens. You can definitely see the filament going up and the anther being quite visible, almost like the model you had shown. However, the one thing that we didn't see in the other flower, the red flower, we do see right here, which I would definitely believe this is the pistil. And compared to the model that you showed, I don't think that the stigmas up here on the pistil aren't fully developed, but I can tell that that should be the stigma. And the style, basically just the large part, which is like the fused tissue, I believe, of the ovaries, if I can get it. Yeah, the fused part right here, the style. It looks healthy and everything like that. Now I'm going to cut away at the rest of the stuff so we can get a clearer look right here at the ovary. Let me do. I'm gonna get down and dirty. Alrighty. So one of the filaments and anthers fell off. So let's just cut away at this. I don't want to cut that part off. But yeah, there we go. I'm gonna move these out real quick. Alrighty. Alright, so I think we can get a close look right here. Let's see. There we go. So this is the ovary, and it does have multiple lumps, so multiple ovaries and everything like that. And if I were to cut inside the lumps, they should contain those diploid cells that go through the meiosis and create the female gametophyte, if I'm saying that correctly, that houses basically the egg, where the anthers and the filament, the anthers mainly having the sperm eggs and everything like that going through the male genophyte and the pollinate grain, if I recall correctly. So yeah, it's really cool dissecting the flowers and everything like that and seeing the parts. It's pretty interesting. And yeah, I had other flowers and stuff, like the ones you told us not to get, sunflowers and everything, yellow roses, but I found the two that I used in this demonstration to definitely be the most close to the model that you had shown. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you have a great day. See ya.